Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the best method to transfer your domain from Squarespace to Showit in 2025. Understanding the process is crucial for a smooth transition. Before we start, let's go through a pre-transfer checklist. Ensure your domain is eligible for transfer and all the necessary information is at hand. First, we need to unlock your domain. Head to your Squarespace settings, then navigate to the Domain Management section and unlock your domain. Next, obtain your authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This is crucial for initiating the transfer. Now, let's start the transfer on the Showit platform. Enter your domain name and follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. Check your email for verification messages from both Squarespace and Showit. Follow the instructions in those emails to continue the process. After the transfer, it's essential to update your DNS settings on the Showit platform to ensure everything functions correctly. If you encounter issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and their solutions to help you troubleshoot effectively. Finally, let's check everything is in order to finalize the transfer. Confirm your domain settings and ensure all steps have been followed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your domain from Squarespace to Showit. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.